Imagine wasting years of your life trying to figure out how to trade, losing money, getting frustrated, and almost giving up. I was there not too long ago, guys. I was there and I totally get where you're coming from. And it was not until I realized I needed these specific things to change my trading journey. And if I was going to start all over, this is what I would do. I also was able to find or develop 5 pillars to get you to become a profitable trader quicker, and I'm going to list those in the end of this video, so make sure you stay tuned all the way to the end. Those are perfect for intermediate traders and especially beginner traders because it will help you fine-tune your trading journey. So as an educator, education is very big to me. So when I started my trading journey, I didn't really have a roadmap. I didn't know where to go. I just had to figure it out through trial and error. And what did I do with trial and error? Got frustrated, lost money, and almost wanted to give up. It was not until I found my mentor who was able to help me fine-tune my trading journey and make it so I could understand. So that leads me right into number 1. What I would do differently as a trader or a new trader, beginner trader, intermediate trader, I would focus on education. Okay, education is going to change your situation. Whatever you're in regards to trading, whatever stage, gauge, phase, whatever you're in, education is going to help you get to the next level, right? But can you remember this one thing for me when it comes to education? Stick to one person. I know that might sound crazy because the internet is full of individuals, YouTube, you might be listening to me and somebody else, but hey, truly take this advice from me, right? Listen to one voice, okay? You are going to be bombarded with so much information and so many different strategies, and you're not going to know which way is up from down. So I'm not saying listen to me. I'm saying to listen to a person. But if you want to listen to me, if you want to learn from me, go ahead and look at my description box below. I have an awesome Discord of like-minded individuals, and we have a great time. And if you want more specific, like a smaller group, comment the word bootcamp, and you'll be able to learn with me directly, okay? Let's go on to number 2. All right, y'all. So number 2 goes to a question that I get on, I get on YouTube, I get people asking me on Instagram, whatever. How much money do you need to start trading realistically? And I have to tell you, it depends on you, right? It depends on you, but my biggest thing, to be honest, and I want to be 100. I'm your friend. This is Tanisha T talking to you as a real individual. If you meet me on the street, it's going to be the same way I'll talk to you. Do you want to be successful? And if you can answer yes to that question, you need to find a way to fund your account, okay? You do. If it is an extra shift, if it is a side hustle, if it is to cash in the little quarters and dollar bills you've been saving. Listen, this money will be the starting point to change your life. And you have to have some sort of leverage to actually get in the game. Okay? Can I be honest and tell you what I did? I'm coming from an elementary school background. Sean, I told my teachers out there, we trenches out. I know where you're at. Hey, I did summer school. I hate summer school. I hated it as a kid. And I hated it more as a teacher. Because the whole thing of being a teacher is to summer, but I'm not going to go in a tangent. But y'all, I wanted more out of life. I understood that sacrifice I had to make to start my journey. And if I did not sacrifice for that summer and save that money and fund my account, I wouldn't be where I am today. Okay? So you have to start somewhere. And if you want a number, right? You want a number anywhere from $500 to $1,000. And if you can go any more up over the $1,000 is a realistic number, right? And I'm not saying if you have $200 you can't trade. I'm saying save. I'm saying find a way to make more money. Find a way to make more money. Wherever you are in life right now, you can find a way to make more money legally, right? When it comes to funding your account, this is one way you might be able to find money. Stop spending unnecessary money. Say no to Amazon, say no to the sales, say no to going to the mall, say no to extra happy hours and things like that. Stop door dashing. Yeah, we don't need to do that, right? Because the money that you're going to put in your account will make you more money in the long run. Let's go on to number 3. All right, y'all. I hope you're enjoying this video thus far, but if you have not, can you help me get this video to 1,000 likes and give me a thumbs up right now? Just stop right now and just hit a thumbs up. I appreciate you. And subscribe because I'm going to give you more videos like this. All right. Number 3 is one of the most important steps. All of them are important, but I want you to take this to heart. Write this down, right? Trust the process. Trust the process. 40% of day traders quit within the first month. That is a statistic, guys. It's a study. 40% of day traders quit in the first month because they do not trust the process. You're expecting, because you watched a few YouTube videos and you jump on in the market, you put your real money in the market, and you're expecting to blow your account like double, triple, 10x your money. But can I really tell you right now? Learn the information. Trust the process. You have to crawl before you walk. You have to walk before you jog, and you have to jog before you run. There's a process. When you were a baby, you did not go from walking to running or crawling to running, right? You had to go through steps. So guys, learning is essential to your growth, okay? Focus on the process and the money would come. Don't focus on the money. And I know that's going to be hard because obviously we're in this game to make money, right? But if you focus on the process, you focus on your strategy, you focus on your rules, you focus on the charts, you focus on your analysis, right? And getting that foundation, the money will come. The money will be the byproduct of the knowledge. So we cannot jump into this market with guns blazing, feeling like the market is going to just give us money. At the end of the day, we have to respect it and understand that the information will change your situation. Let's go on to number 4. All right, number 4 is do not skimp on paper trading, or do not skip that step. The 4 reasons why you cannot skip paper trading or using your demo account is that 1, you get familiar with entering and exit trades in your brokerage. Do not be one of those people that literally put your real money in the market and you do not know how to exit a trade, or you're not confident that you exited a trade, okay? The second reason is that you get a feel of what it is like to trade during the real stock market being open. The candlesticks moving, what does price do to your money, and so on and so forth. The third reason why you use your demo account is you build your confidence, right? You're like, you actually know, yes, I fully closed out the trade, or yes, I'm fully in the trade. There's nothing like knowing that you executed a trade and you were able to exit. Okay, so do not skimp your demo account. Do not shy away from using your paper trading account. It's very helpful to your success. Let's go on to number 5. All right, y'all. So number 5 is really important. I'm so glad you made it all the way to the end of this video. I still have the 5 pillars, remember, okay? So number 5 is you need to backtest and journal. 95% of traders do not journal. Wonder why they're not successful, wonder why their strategy isn't working, wonder why they're continuing to lose, right? Journaling is essential to you seeing what worked and what didn't work, and backtesting along with that also, right? What trades did I win on and what trades did I lose on, right? What did I do on those winning trades? What did I do on those losing trades? And then you repeat what you did on the winning trades, and then you stop doing what you did on the losing trades. How would you know what you did if you did not look at them, if you did not journal them, if you did not document them? Okay, guys, don't make that mistake like I did, right? My trading journey did not get on a profitable path until I enlisted number 5, backtesting and journaling, and I will never look back. All right, so let's go on to the 5 pillars of a profitable trader. Okay. All right, y'all. So it says right here that 80% of day traders leave within the first 2 years. And here are the common reasons why individuals quit trading, right? So one of the first reasons is poor risk management, a lack of a solid trading strategy, emotional trading, and experiencing significant loss. So in my bootcamp and Discord, I teach my 5 pillars of success, and here are those 5 pillars. Okay, so the first pillar is going to be risk management. Number 2 is going to be A+ setups. Number 3 is discipline. Number 4 is position sizing. And last but not least, number 5 is patience. Okay, so guys, if you want to learn these 5 pillars, right, and add them to your trading journey, make sure you comment bootcamp below, or go ahead and check out my Discord group where, like I said, I teach those 5 pillars and so much more. Okay, guys, thank you so much for watching. If you have not done yet, make sure you subscribe and give me a thumbs up for this video, because I'm going to give you a lot more videos just like this. All right, see you soon.